Guys, today I'm going to show you how I analyze the news. Let's get into the laptop. Let me just take the video. You come here, let's go to our website. Let's try what? It's even right here. Investing.com. I've already logged into my account. Come here. Say example. Let's go yesterday. On date what? Where's the date? The date is here. On 7th January. On 7th January. Today is 8th. You can look at the camera. Yeah, it says 8th January. So let's start analyzing. Let's say we want to analyze for USD. You know, for investors, for you to trade a pair, you have to have some money backing you up. Let's say like US investors. So come here. Let's say I do for Australian dollar. Come here. Sorry. I'm not removed USD. I remove it. Scroll up. So let's say I want to know how Australian dollar has been doing for the last 1 month or so. I come here. I start with the most recent one. Like here, it says the building approvals, they are 5.2%, and they would go lower. Going lower means that Audi would be weak. And the actual results came at negative 3.6, which means Audi is weak, more weak. You know, some people don't know how to analyze this website. Here it says previous results, previous building approval results. The forecast is the forecast that is just like a prediction, and actual is the actual number that will come out that day. So building approvals has said that Audi is weak and they are expecting weakness, so that is weak. But the expectation is not our concern for right now. We're just looking at what Audi is telling us. Is it weak? Is it strong? Let's go to an employment news. In the employment news, you can see that the first employment, it was 12.2 thousand people were employed previously. Then 26,000 were expected to be employed. It was expected to rise, so Audi would be strong, and yet it came out stronger, whereby instead of 26,000 people being employed, they came out at 5,000 people. So that means Audi is strong. Unemployment rate, unemployed people previously were 4.1%. And they were expected to be 4.2%. They were expected to increase, but they reduced to 3.9% when the actual news came out. So, but if you can see overall news, this says Audi is strong. Let's go on in another. Building approval says weakness 5.8, 4.2 weakness. Interest rate no change, so it does not show any direction of Audi. Trade balance 4.5. It shows that Audi would be stronger or would be weaker because 4.53 billion, 4.532 billion and 4.530 billion, that is a weakness. It is reducing, but it came out at 5.953 billion, which is stronger. Let's go to GDP. GDP of Audi previously was 1%, but it was expected to be 1.1%. Always be keen on this because it will show you what investors were expecting on that pair. And it came out 0.8, which is weak. So they was expecting the GDP of Audi to be strong, but it came out weak. So there was some shock in the market. People were shocked, or investors were shocked, because they expected something, but you don't get the thing. Let's say to another GDP, quarter 3. It was 0.2. It came out 0.3, which is higher, which means it's good. They were expecting 0.5. They were expecting higher, but it came out a little bit high, but not as expected, but still strong. So GDP, one is showing weakness, another one is showing strength. So no direction. The GDP news does not show any direction. Let's go to retail sales. 0.1%. They're expecting 0.4, but it came out 0.6, which is stronger news. So that's how I analyze the news. But for me, the direction, I usually use the most latest news. They show me the current Audi I have, the current Audi strength I have. So thank you guys. You can ask me questions in the comment. I'll answer them. Thank you.